Hello guys, let's get straight to the point on how to use the hosting code 2026. First, click the Hostinger coupon code link in this video description. Next, choose the hosting type you need, like web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, or VPS hosting, or any hosting service you need. Now, I am choosing web hosting. Next, choose your country. Next, scroll down to pick your plan. Here you can see which plan is best, so you can choose based on your needs. And if you are not clear about, you can see the option of View Features option. Click here, and now you can compare all the plans and choose the best one you need. Once you go through the plan, hit Choose Plan button. Next is the Order Summary page. Here choose the billing period of 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. And here you can see the referral disc. This is because of my link. Now hit Continue button. Enter email and set password. Once done, you will redirected to payment page. Do payment, you will receive mail. Claim the Hostinger deal with Hostinger coupon code link. It is very simple and just 2 minutes work. Enjoy.